Welcome to Wisdom for Your Day. Are you tired of drifting as a wandering generality instead of moving with the purpose of a meaningful specific? The antidote to that aimlessness comes from a man who studied the mechanics of success. Meet Zig Ziglar, the architect mentor of self. To build today's daily growth blueprint, you need to gather a few simple physical tools. Grab a notebook, a pen, an alarm clock, and a growth-oriented book or audio program. Go ahead and write Daily Growth Blueprint at the top of your first blank page. Gathering these simple tools is your first physical step toward overriding past limitations. You are intentionally building a better version of yourself, starting right now. Step 1 begins before you are even fully awake. That standard routine, hitting the snooze button and groaning about the time, is your first obstacle to personal growth. Every time you do that, you are surrendering to the day instead of commanding it. Write this down under Step 1. Rename your alarm the opportunity clock. Tomorrow morning, when that opportunity clock goes off, your first instruction is to turn it off immediately. No hesitation. The second it is off, sit straight up on the edge of your bed and forcefully clap your hands together. Then state out loud, "Oh boy, it's a great day to get up and go get 'em." Make sure you write this exact routine down on your paper right now. You are going to feel ridiculous doing this on day 1. That is normal. But if you commit to executing this exact sequence for 21 consecutive days, you will physically wire a new habit. Establishing physical control the moment you wake up provides the momentum needed to maintain mental focus throughout the afternoon. Once you are out of bed, your mind has a dangerous default setting. It naturally gravitates toward unproductive input, like doom scrolling your phone or absorbing negative news broadcasts. Step 2 is your mental diet. On your blueprint, block out a specific 20-minute window dedicated to positive educational input. During this window, you are feeding your brain. Read biographies, study your industry's latest materials, or dive into self-help books. If you commute, Ziglar recommended enrolling in what he called Automobile University. You can easily hit your 20-minute quota by playing high-quality audio programs while you drive. Ziglar's premise is that your outlook is the product of your mental input. By systematically upgrading what you read and hear, you directly influence your future performance. Your morning routine and your mental diet provide excellent fuel, but fuel needs a destination. This is where you graduate from the fuzzy path of a wandering generality to the laser focus of a meaningful specific. Step 3 on your blueprint is the 7-step goal plan. Write these structural pillars down. Step 1, identify the exact goal. 2, set a deadline. 3, list specific obstacles. 4, identify people you need help from. 5, list required skills. 6, develop an action plan. And 7, list the benefits. What's in it for me? A vague ambition like wanting to be richer lacks the structure needed for execution. A meaningful specific defines the result, like earning $10,000 by July 4th through 5 new client acquisitions. Without these 7 pillars, an ambition is just a daydream. Writing them down mechanically binds your target to reality. Draw a line at the bottom of your blueprint for Step 4, reprogramming your external conversations to fix your internal dialogue. Ziglar diagnosed a widespread condition he called stinkin' thinkin'. This is the habit of constantly complaining or defaulting to negative framing the moment you interact with another person. Here is your specific action. When someone asks how you are, replace complaints with enthusiastic responses. Say, super good, or wonderfully well. Positive thinking alone is not magic. It will not let you do anything you physically cannot do. But, like flipping a switch to release electrical current, positive thinking allows you to fully utilize the abilities you already possess. The words you speak aloud form the operating system running your daily actions. Protect that system. Look down at your paper. You now have a tangible, personalized daily growth blueprint built from these core concepts. You now possess an actionable morning routine to command the day, a mental diet to acquire the knowledge you need, a 7-step framework to reach your target, and a fortified internal dialogue to keep you moving forward. Where you came from does not dictate where you are going. Your true power resides entirely in the faith you have in your future, backed by the rigorous discipline of your present. Take consistent action on this blueprint today. Thank you for joining us on Wisdom for Your Day. Please like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and follow the channel for more.